today we're going to be taking a look at one of the most interesting security systems that Honeywell and Radionics have ever made. This right here is a Honeywell 5700 alarm transmitter or communicator, or whatever you want to call it, but it is actually a Radionics D7112 control panel, except rebranded by Honeywell. Now, Honeywell had something with Radionics where Honeywell would buy Radionics's panels, and then they would tell Radionics to make their own custom software, revision, and handler for these panels. So yes, the board is a 7112, but the ROMs inside that are on this panel are way different from the actual 7112 ROMs. I'm sure if I actually got a 7112 ROM and put it in here, it would act just like a 7112. So this is a keypad. This is a Honeywell D540 keypad. Very interesting design of keypads. If you might be wondering what the heck this is about, so the actual telco port has been broken off, and I just soldered these two wires onto it temporarily for testing, and I bought a new telco port that I'll put on here, and it'll be good as new. So I got this off of eBay for about 80 bucks, and I think it was a great deal because these are extremely rare panels. Not only is seeing Honeywell rebranded Radionics stuff uncommon, but there's almost no documentation on the Honeywell Radionics rebrand, and you don't even see 7112s in service anywhere. I've never seen one. I know I have a friend that's worked on one in the field, but overall, just pretty rare Radionics panels and stuff. So, anyways, we'll go ahead and do the basic functions. I'll basically arm and disarm, show it reporting, and then we'll do an alarm condition. Like I said, this is a very whack panel. I don't know how to program the zones on it. The zone programming doesn't make any sense to me. And I need some sort of documentation that tells me like what the zone numbers mean or whatever. Like, let's see if I can look at it in the big book of Radionics here. Let's see. It's going to be at the very last page of this. Ask me how I know. Like, what the frick does that mean? Right? What the frick does this mean? And it says I need the program record sheet right there. And I don't have that, and I can't find it online, of course. So I need that in order to program the zones. So right now, this is literally just the default zones that the handler already had programmed into them. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the keypad and around the thing. So normally these panels, the 7112, will be seen with a 1254 keypad, and like I said, this is just a D540. So to get into the menu, because you notice there's no command button on it, you actually hit enter, and then type in my passcode, which is 123456, and then enter again, and then you can see that gets us into the menu. So we got quick menu, disarm menu, arm menu, view menu, function menu, test menu, change menu, extended close menu, service menu, and then, yeah. So if we go into the quick menu, we can see that we got disarm area, arm area, area status, and just a whole bunch of other bullcrap. So it works pretty much the same way. This panel is very interesting. So if we go over here to, actually no, I want to go to view menu. You can see area status, event memory, point status. Let's say I want to view the point status. Point 1. Smoke detector. Normal, hardwired. So, yeah. Very interesting. To arm the panel, the easiest way to arm and disarm the panel with this keypad is type in your code, and then click all on off. And the keypad will now start the exit delay, which I have only programmed to 10 seconds for testing purposes. We can see the lights up there. The CPU light blinking means normal operation. The phone light means it's reporting, and the battery light means that there's no battery on. So now, if we go look at my computer, we can see that it just reported to Protostar Alarm Monitoring. There is the closing report right there. And if we look over at Sims, we will see a closing come through. There. There's our restore, or closing right there. Don't mind the trebles and stuff. I was messing with this a little bit earlier. So we go back to the panel. And we can see that area 1 is on. And this will do up to 4 areas. So that's pretty cool. So let's see if we can do anything. Yeah, no, we can't do anything while the area 1 is on. So let's go ahead and disarm the panel. To disarm, we just type in the code and we hit all on/off. Disarm area 1, and then we can see that the panel is now disarmed. Very interesting. I don't know if the 7112 does this, but it's displaying the date and time. And now normally radionics, from what I can tell, normally it will display something like area 1 ready to arm or something like that. But no, this one just displays the date and time. So I'm going to guess that's something that they did within the Honeywell special software revision ROM, whatever the frick. So yeah, let's go ahead and actually arm the system again, and we will do a, we will let the entry delay run out. So let's arm it through the menu. So go enter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter, go into the arm menu. We will arm all areas. There we go. Area 1 is on. And you can customize that to say whatever you want. I can make it say whatever. So now we'll go here and we'll violate a zone. Once I can get this piece of wire working. Oh my gosh, I should probably just use a screwdriver. Maybe this screwdriver is rated for 1,000 volts, so it's not going to make a good connection. Let me try this with this piece of wire again. There we go. This zone is set to a perimeter zone. So now we are in alarm, which is cool. Area 1 is on. Alarm perimeter. Can't do anything while it's in alarm, obviously. So we'll go ahead and disarm it. And you can hear it click because it was trying to, it turned on the bell output down here. So we can see that we have 1 alarm in memory. To clear it, all we have to do is hit clear twice. So we'll hit clear and then clear. And then we can see now we're back to normal. So if I go scroll through it, we can see there are 0 faults on the system and there are 0 points bypassed. So yeah, thank you for taking a look at my Honeywell 5700 security panel. Sorry this isn't the best video in the world. I want to make a video on this Honeywell 5800G next, so that'll be pretty cool. If you want to see anything done with this panel, please let me know. I'm going to put it up on the demo board here. I'll make a video about that. Before I leave, let's go ahead and show the reports that it sent to Protostar. So you can see that alarm on 0.300. It's weird how these older panels have their zones reported in hundreds. So like zone 1 would be zone 100, I would assume. We can see my opening report, user 1, which is pretty cool. And if I look at SIMS, we can see my opening, we can see my burglary, and we can see that trouble in the system. That's a battery trouble from when I didn't have the battery on it. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.